What's up, YouTube? This is Julian with Julian Tech Reviews, and man, it just came. The Galaxy Z Fold 7. Will it live up to the hype? We shall find out in this unboxing, unpacking video that I'm so excited to present to you. But before we do that, if you can please like, subscribe to the channel, we greatly appreciate it. Thank you for all the support. But without further ado, let's get into it. So UPS delivered this wonderful package today. I got my pre-order is here today. Let's open it up with my trusty box cutter and let's get to it. Now, one thing about Samsung, when you pre-order from them, they do not play about shipping, and it really helps that one of the warehouses is local here in Texas. So they get it to you. When they say it's shipped, it's out. All right, so what do we have here? Let's go ahead and unravel all this stuff. So let's see what we have here with everything displayed. Oh, I know you see that fiber, that carbon fiber here. All right, guys, so I definitely took advantage of the $100 credit, but here it is, upside down, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Now, with the $100, I got this carbon shield case, I got this anti-reflecting film, and I got a clear case. So I think it was a little bit over 100, but you know, it is what it is. We'll unbox these right after we unbox the big tamale here, which is the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Yay, it's here. Now, I'm a huge fan of the foldables, and I've purchased multiple foldables in my career in Samsung, OnePlus, Vivo. I mean, you name it, I'm looking for the absolute best. One of the biggest issues with Samsung is that dang front screen. Now, you can open it up into a nice 8-inch screen, but that front end screen was so narrow, and I tried to trick myself into thinking that that was going to be a forever phone, but as more and more reviews started coming out, I just went completely to OnePlus, and I've been using OnePlus for the last few months, and it's been a joy. So it's kind of been pulling me away from Samsung, but as soon as they announced it and they said the special edition was the one, I knew Samsung was back on track. Just the price is ridiculous. Almost $2,200 for this phone. And I have to turn in my Galaxy S25 Ultra in order for me to get this for $999. I don't know, Samsung, I'm not with it. But we're here anyways. Let's go ahead and get it over with. But in another thought process, I'm very excited to open this up because I think this is the final boss version of the Z Fold series with the 7 series. Now, I just hope it doesn't blow up in my face like the Note 7. So hopefully 7 is good this time around. But without further ado, let's go ahead, get off my diatribe, and let's unbox this beautiful, wonderful Galaxy Z Fold 7. Oh, it's here, guys. It is finally here. The mint color, which is the special edition one that you can get on Samsung's website. It's nowhere else. Here it is. Now, looks can be deceiving. Maybe the front end is not as it's still narrow. I still have to do it. Let me fold it. And ladies and gentlemen, we finally have a wide screen front facing foldable phone. And man, how incredibly thin this feels. Oh no, Samsung has done it. Samsung has done it. They did it. Well, let me continue with this, and here is the accessories that comes with it. So once again, you're going to get limited accessories, but we're going to open it anyways. We have our USB-C to USB-C. We have our SIM ejector tool, and we have our guide here. Oh my Lord, I cannot believe they did it. Now, I reviewed the Galaxy S25 Edge, and it has like a similar thinness and aesthetic to it, but man, this is thin. Oh my goodness. I'm not sure, YouTube. I'm not sure, guys, that $2,000 might be it, man. If they got the price down, this will be an instant seller. Oh, okay. All right. I'm flabbergasted. Let's go ahead and put this to the side here. And let's go ahead and let me turn the phone on for the first time. Here it is. Now, upon the first impressions, I really love the color. I'm glad they decided to go a little mint green, a little money green. I don't like the fact that the camera looks like it's protruding more than it usually is, and it looks like you can almost like pull this like camera housing off, which is not good, but they nailed it, guys. They nailed the screen. The front end screen is beautiful. Now let's compare it to my my OnePlus here. Now my OnePlus here 13 is a little bit wider, but Samsung has narrowed the gap a little bit, so it's pretty much there. A little bit wider because this is more of a, you know, the candy bar style, so they are able to get away with it. But man, oh man, I cannot wait to use this phone. This is absurd how beautiful this is and how thin it is. Woo, they did it. All right, let's open it up for the first. Oh. Now, upon the first impressions of opening the phone to the widescreen, it does feel a little bit wider. It's not as compact as, you know, Galaxy Z Fold 6, but it does have that squareness to it. And I think they listened to some of the people that complained about the corners being too sharp. So they are a little bit rounded, which is great because I can hold it in my hand, but I'm afraid of dropping this thing. So I'm gonna have to suit this thing up, but this is amazing. I mean, Samsung knows how to make a premium phone. The software is good. The phone is finally to the level that we wanted it. Now, we paid for it. That's crazy, but you know, it is what it is. And look, there's little to no gap. I mean, there's still a little gap there, but you know, they claim that the hinge has been updated, probably to justify the thinness of this. I'm curious. I mean, this is amazing. Now, let's compare the thinness compared to this OnePlus here. So not really I have a really small case on here, but it is comparable. It is incredibly thin. Oh my, we're in trouble. All right, well, in the meantime, I'm gonna put all of my information in and give you a full review after a week of using it. But until then, I'm going to forgo that and get into what we have here when it comes to these accessories. So the first accessory I have here is the carbon shield case, and as you can see, it is cool. It has a $999 price. I think I got it discounted at $69 on the website for pre-ordering early. So that's another reason to take advantage of the pre-orders, is because you get a little bit of a discount off of these accessories. Ooh. So it comes with the carbon fiber case, and it comes with this attachment here, and what else is this? We have okay, I missed it. So it comes with a screen protector here. Did I miss that? Yes, so this back part right here is a screen protector. So you can protect your screen, and you're only getting a half. So let's go ahead and try to, oh yeah, real nice. So this is what it looks like. Carbon fiber has come to the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Galaxy Z Fold 7. Oh Lord. And open that bad boy up. Pretty cool. So you get front end protection, and let's see what kind of screen is this. Is this like one of those wiggly screens? Yeah, and you get two of them. So this package has the carbon shield case, which I put on. the anti-reflecting film, the dust removal sticker, microfiber, squeegee, applicator install guide. So you do get the anti-reflecting film, which I didn't have to purchase. I didn't realize that. So here's the anti-reflecting film. This one you get 2 of them, 2 of each. So I don't have to unbox that one and open that one up. Oh, I wasted money. Okay, and then we have the clear case, and I bet you this one comes with yes it does. So now I have 6 total anti-reflective screens. So it's gonna be anti-reflective, all right. But since we're here, I'm not gonna unpackage every single piece of this one. So let's just go ahead and get the clear case. All right, and then put that off to the side. Just clean up the junk over here. Clear as ever. Now, this one is gonna be a hot seller, and they're justifying the price. You might wanna get it for $69.99 right now, or free if you pre-order, because this is really cool. And I think I have it on my OnePlus here, so just a quick comparison. My Fiberborn versus the Samsung. It looks like they got on the carbon fiber train, so thanks, Samsung. All right, so let's see if we can remove this without a lot of effort. See, I usually go from the top, and there it goes. All right, and let's go ahead and put the clear one on. All right, here it is. The clear case is on. The half size of the case. Now, one thing I do respect from Samsung is that they understood that it is really difficult to get the frame all together, protected. So they just decided to join the wave with all the other Chinese companies and give you a half of them. And I respect it because it keeps it minimal and it feels good in the hand. So I cannot wait to try this. I know it's gonna feel like traditional Samsung, but look at that screen, man. This screen is amazing. It's beautiful. I can't wait to test the cameras out to see if there's any drop in quality, but I am thoroughly pleased with this unboxing, with this product. Cannot wait to try this out. Samsung, you might have won me back over in the foldable department. It's gonna be real tough, but you got some really tough cases. Guys, take advantage of the pre-order before it's too late to get all those credits. And if you want to turn in your phone, you might want to do that. Otherwise, don't listen to me. But I'm excited to try this out. This is Julian with Julian Tech Reviews. And until then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace.